I'm going to color up this cute little stamp. This is called Life is Sweet. It comes in our April box. I did have some of this stamp set left over from the boxes. I do have a few left, so I'll have that listed in the description box for you. Everything will be down there. And if you join the box of the month, you get 5% off, and then you'll get your box automatically shipped to you every 30 days until you cancel. So thanks so much, guys. I'm going to play some music so you can enjoy the coloring. I think I accidentally deleted the rest of the footage, but here's the finished card. Let me know if you prefer it with the shadow behind the jar or without. The first picture is without, the second picture is with, and I also added a shadow to the bottom to ground the image. If you don't feel comfortable freehanding a shadow with your markers, I do have a grounding, like a shadow stamp that was in your last month's box. It was in the Cup of Kitty stamp set, and I do have one available. I just put up in the shop if you want to pick up that stamp. It is super cute. It's got that cute kitty inside the cup. But if you are subscribed to the box, you have that stamp set from last month's box. You can use that for a shadow to ground your jar. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you real soon in the next video. Bye guys.